Everyone thinks powerful AI needs the cloud to work, but today I am going to prove that's wrong by running AI completely offline on my laptop. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to Next Sai Community. This is Sai, and today I'll show you how to run AI models locally using Ollama. To run AI locally, we first need an AI runtime, and today we'll be using Ollama. There are several platforms available, but Ollama is one of the easiest and most beginner friendly options. Simply click on download Ollama, choose your operating system, and the download will begin. The installer is around 1.3 GB, so it may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open the installer and click on install. After installation, Ollama opens with a clean interface that looks similar to ChatGPT. Click on menu bar and open settings, where you can configure your account, context length, download location and other preferences. Now let's download our first AI model. Click on models and choose your favorite provider. I'll be using Gemma for this demonstration. You'll notice multiple model sizes like 1B, 2B, 4B, 8B, 31B. So which one should you choose? Don't worry, here's my recommendation. If your PC has 8GB RAM, start with 2B, 4B models. If you have 16GB RAM, start with 4B, 8B models for the best balance between speed and quality. If you have 32GB RAM with a dedicated GPU, you can comfortably run larger models. Keep in mind that model performance doesn't depend on model size. It also depends on CPU, GPU, RAM, context length and quantization. In simple words, better hardware delivers better AI performance. Let's make sure everything is installed correctly. Open command prompt and type Ollama. If you see this output, Ollama has been installed successfully. Let's download a model. I'll be downloading 4B model since my laptop has 16GB RAM. Copy the command, paste it into command prompt and press enter. The model will now start downloading.
5 minutes later.
Once it's finished, type Ollama list. This will show all the models currently installed in your computer. To launch a model, type Ollama run model name. Let's say Gemma 3 1B. While it's loading, you can also monitor your RAM usage in the task manager. Hi. And the model started to respond. Let's try to load a slightly larger model, 2B model. You can monitor the RAM usage. We started to load a slightly larger model compared to previous, and the RAM usage jumps from 39% to 79%, which is normal. Let's ask the same question again. And the model started to respond. And let's ask the question, what is Python? And here's the response. Before the model started to respond, the model thinks first. You can already notice the difference in the quality of the response. Now comes the interesting part. Let's compare different model sizes using the exact same prompt. I will compare them based on three things: speed, functionality and overall output quality. This is the Jan AI interface, and this interface is used to load local AI models, where Ollama also provides the same, but it lacks model customization like temperature control and context length. Jan AI offers model customizations like temperature control and context length, top K, repeat penalty, etc. And using model selector, you can change the models. So let's try to give a prompt now to the 1B model. and the model started to produce tokens.
Five minutes later.
And the execution has been completed. It produced around 12 tokens per second. Yeah. Now the next, slightly a larger model, a 2B model. Let's give the same prompt now.
One hour later.
And the model execution has been completed with 5 tokens per second. Around 350 lines of code. And you can check the thinking process here. Now the final model, 4B model. Let's try to give the same prompt again. And you can check the reasoning here.
5 hours later.
Yeah, now the final model has completed execution with a 5 token per second, and this model uses different quantization. It produced same token per second compared to 2B model. This is the results of 3 models. On the left side 1B model, in the middle 2B model, on the right side 4B model. In the 1B model, let's try to add a task. Unable to add the task. Let's try to give the same task again. Yeah, the 1B model failed to add the task. Let's switch to 2B model. And the task has been added successfully. And we can check the completed task. And delete functionality is working. And I am unable to edit the task in the 2B model, so it failed here. Now the final model, 4B model. Let's try to give the task to the 4B model. Let's try to add another task. Yeah, now we can check the completed task. And we can delete the completed task. Finally, we can edit the task. Click on edit. Yeah, edit functionality is working. Check functionality is working. Delete functionality is working. All features are working as expected. So what did we learn? Smaller models are extremely fast but may struggle with complex tasks. Medium-sized models provide a great balance between speed and accuracy. Larger models may respond a little slower, but the quality of their outputs is significantly better. Keep in mind that these results are based on my laptop specifications. Your experience may vary depending on your hardware. So that's how you can run AI models locally using Ollama. As you have seen, choosing a larger model generally gives better results, but if your hardware can handle it, the key is selecting the right model for your systems. Local AI is no longer the future, it's already here. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Nexai community, and let me know in the comments which AI model you are using or which one do you like me to test next. This is Sai signing off. Keep rocking.